Okay, we're outside. We're gonna go to the beauty supply store for me to buy a new wig. All right, y'all. So we at the beauty supply store. Okay, cause you know your girl need a new wig. You get what I'm saying? She need a new wig. But it's easy for me to get a new wig. Already know. You see, I told you I could pick out a wig in minutes. But after we get this wig, y'all, we better purchase it. And then we better go to the store and do that, okay? Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all the wig that I brought from the beauty supply store, even though y'all can't see it. This is the wig box, okay? Like, let me take pictures of it. Alright, so let's see what this wig look like. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. Oh my, y'all, I am going to so rock this wig. Like, I'm so for real going to rock the fuck out of this wig. Like, baby, this is the time of year, time of month. Like, what are we talking about? Yeah, baby. We're gonna rip this wig off. Okay. We're gonna rip it off. All right. And after ripping that off, we're gonna take off our makeup. And I don't know about the mask. As a matter of fact, let's try this. Oh yeah, with makeup on, I feel like I'm gonna have to use light makeup. But we're gonna start this wig very soon. But not right now. Okay, so we're gonna start it very soon. Give me a second. Alright guys, so you guys know that I did my makeup earlier, did put on a new wig. Now we got us a new wig. So basically, I'm not gonna do too much with this wig, but I will brush it back. I didn't get my scissors, but we ain't got. Yep, they got different colors. They got, this is the one I had, the 613, like red and 613. Like, it looks really nice. I was gonna get the 1B 613, but I didn't like it. I didn't know why, but I wanted to try something new, and this is something new. Okay, this is something new. So right now, y'all, I am cutting off the lace first, and off camera I did apply like 2 layers of glue because I wasn't gonna keep this wig on my head. This is the part where I cut off the ear parts. I'm sorry I didn't get to show y'all because I was rushing the process while it's on this wig, but I am applying my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in a level 15 with the darkest shade I'm applying on top of the lace. So now I'm using this Global Melting Spray to spray it on my lace. I tried using it with my finger, but I got lazy of it. Then later on I used my comb. The comb really helps me to melt my lace faster than ever. So now I'll be grabbing my wax stick to pull my hair back into a, like, we're just slicking it back. So now we're getting our hot comb and we're gonna press the wax stick down into our hair, which wasn't really a good idea for me because it was a synthetic wig.
So now this is the moment where we are doing our middle part, and I struggle so much to get this middle part right. This is the part that messed me up. The middle part wasn't even showing apart. So I tried to do a side part, and I'm just like, this hairstyle wasn't gonna look good with a side part. I only just saw me doing the middle part at this point. Baby, after me struggling with this middle part, I just pulled out my wax stick and I just did my middle part just the way I needed to at this point. And after using my wax stick, I end up using my hot comb. Now I went with my rat tail comb to fix the middle part in the way I needed to. So now I'm going in with my tweezers thinking I was plucking something. Baby, I wasn't plucking nothing, okay? I was plucking nothing, like nothing was being plucked. And now I'm just using this comb to comb down my hair to not get it matted up. Now it's time for us to show that middle part. Now this is the part where we'll be doing our edges, and then later on we're going to part them with the same cream foundation.
Always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy.
Alright, now we have our flat hair ironer, and we're going to like straighten out where we're going to do our edges, and then after that we're going to curl it and then do our edges later on. And I did pull my hair back with the wax stick, as you guys will see later on.
Happy, 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 happy. It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, happy.
Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Bye. See you guys in the next video. Mwah.